Hi, I'm Nicole Mordecai, a professional photographer and one of the photography instructors for the Weston Art Innovation Center. Do you have a DSLR camera that you don't know how to use? Or maybe you're using it in auto mode and not getting the quality of images that you'd like? I've developed a series of classes that I'm calling Photography Basics. Camera these days are really complicated. But one of the skills that I have is being able to explain how things work in plain language. Furthermore, I prioritize the skills that you need to learn so that you won't ever feel overwhelmed. There are currently 3 classes in the series. The first one, Getting Out of Auto, provides the basics of focus and exposure. The next class, Filling the Frame, will review those basics and then add another set of skills. The third class is Photo Editing in Adobe Lightroom. You can sign up for 1, 2, or all 3 of the classes by going to westonaic.org. Just click on the Programs tab and search for photography.